Yo, welcome back guys. Right, this S-Max that I've been and bought, I've just taken the wheel off to have a look at these brakes, because when I took it for a drive they were squealing and grinding, and yeah, they're pretty foobar, aren't they? If you take a look, it's like they haven't been working whatsoever. When you've got that amount of corrosion on the disc, it means that there's nothing going on, you know, so I'm not sure if the disc and the pads are going to need replacing. I'm not sure if the caliper is seized up, I don't think it has, but yeah, they're going to have to come off and be replaced before I put it through the MOT. I'll also do a walk around of the underside of this car and see what we're dealing with as well. Right guys, taking the caliper off. As you can see, the caliper's off now. They've taken the pads out and the disc is pretty nailed, so that's definitely going to need changing. Now I don't know why all this corrosion is still present, so I'm going to have to check that the actual cylinder and the caliper is still operating properly. But yeah, so it's going to need new disc, new pads on the back. The fronts look okay, so that is the next job on this car before I put it in for the MOT. Yeah, this is the pads on the car, guys. Yeah, they're going to need replacing. They're pretty knackered. There ain't much left on them. So, problem with this car, it's been sat up for a long time, and I think what can happen is when cars get sat up for a while is start, you know, especially with like brakes, because that's a moving part, it all gets a little bit corroded, a little bit gummed up. So anyway, this car is going to have new pads and new rear discs on it before I put it in for the MOT, and hopefully then the braking, like the rough braking has disappeared. Thanks for watching the vid, guys. Catch you soon. Oh yeah, almost forgot guys, as promised, let's have a quick look underneath, and it is a little bit rusty. Well, there's a lot of surface rust on this actually. Look at like the subframe here, suspension arm. Yeah, we've got a bit of surface rust on this vehicle, even though it's only done 80,000 or 82 or 84,000 miles, 5,000 miles. It's a little bit on the rusty side in terms of like the subframe. The actual seals and the main body look in good condition though, but yeah, I might have to go over this I reckon and give it a little bit of a treatment to see. Because yeah, this has been exposed to the elements over the past 10 years of its life. Although saying that, the springs and everything looks intact, just there's quite a lot of surface rust. So it needs a little bit of TLC before I put it up for sale. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you soon. Ta for now.